Danke bafethu. So coach wase-South Africa laphana une-experience kakhulu uPitso Mosimane. Uyi-free agent laphana, maningi kakhulu amaqembu sewalinkwe nawo, kuthiwa yangajoyina i-Kaizer Chiefs, i-Orlando Pirates, but manje-ke kuvela iZamalek, kuthiwa ngempela iZamalek yamfuna. Nanokuthi-ke balethe igama lakaPitso Mosimane phambili ukuthi hayi bo, asizameni lo muntu ngoba une-experience ebholeni lase-Afrika nase-Egypt, so angenza ey'bukwayo ngempela, yabo. So nayi isalary uPitso Mosimane ayifunayo-ke laphana kuZamalek ukuthi abe the next coach. Kuthiwa ufuna 3.2 million ngenyanga bafowethu. Hhayi ngeke, uPitso Mosimane uyadura. Kusho ukuthi ngonyaka uPitso Mosimane uzohola over 38 million rands. Imagine 38 million rands ngonyaka. And njengoba kuthiwa i-contract abazama ukum-ofara yona ngathi kuzoba yi-2 years, if uzoyithatha leyo contract noma bazogcina vele bavumelene, yabo, kuzoba yi-76 million overall i-contract yakhe. Cabanga imali engaka, hhayi. But-ke yeah, plus nama-signing on fee, uza ne-team, ama-winning bonuses, yabona nje inkinga ngempela ukusayina uPitso Mosimane. Asibuyeleni emuva, Orlando Pirates ayina-coach, i-Kaizer Chiefs nakhona kuthiwa kunama-rumours ukuthi uNaba angahamba, so uPitso Mosimane kube nama-links amaningi amlinka to ama-Soweto Giants, yabo. But uma ubheka overall, ama-Soweto Giants ngeke am-afford uPitso Mosimane. Ayikho i-team e-South Africa uPitso Mosimane engamnika u-50 million, just nje u-50 million ngonyaka, yabo. Ayikho i-team engamnika u-3 million, phezu kwa-3 million a month, angeke. I-team ngonyaka eholela ucoach oyedwa u-38 million, Orlando Pirates futhi ngeke, akuna-chance ku-Orlando Pirates. But uPitso Mosimane bam-interviewer bambuza ukuthi okay, is he open to coach Orlando Pirates? Wathi why not, yeah, if i-project e-right. Kwakhulunywa-ke ngendaba yakhe ukuthi uyadura, athi so I think kwakhulunywa nanokuthi, so according to i-South African standard, uyayazi i-South African market nokuthi makangakhoji i-Orlando Pirates angafuni imali engakanani. Kusho ukuthi ngeke afune i-3 point whatever million, yabo. Ingehla imali yakhe but uzofuna ama-millions still ngenyanga, yabo. So yinkinga-ke lapha ku-Orlando Pirates, ngeke akhoje, ngeke bamsayine, yabona ku-Pirates khohlwa. Naku-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi bamnike imali engaka. Thing is manje the biggest problem ukuthi manje uyohleza under pressure la South Africa, kuthiwa uhola imali eningi kodwa siwathola ama-results, yabo. But uPitso Mosimane angayishape yonke i-team ayikhotshaya la South Africa, angayishape ayi-change as long as bazokwazi ukuthi bamsayinele ama-player yena awadingayo. So sobona ukuthi i-deal yakhe neZamalek ukuthi izohamba kanjani, ukuthi iZamalek izomnika na le 3 point something million ayifunayo uPitso Mosimane, because wow, imali engaka bafowethu. Ayikho ngempela e-South Africa i-team engamanager noma nje engazama ukuthi imsayine noma imenze laphana u-coach wabo, yabo. But ngeke wazi, maybe bangathola iy'ponza noma bangazama like ukuletha ama-brands a-different ukuthi bazame ukuthola le deal if bayamdinga ngempela. But as things stand, hayi, Orlando Pirates angiboni ithola uPitso Mosimane, ne-Kaizer Chiefs angiboni, unless if yena lo ama-standards wakhe ngempela mhlawumpe afuna u-800,000. But-ke other than lokho, hayi, uPitso Mosimane ku-two Soweto Giants asikhohlwa, ngeke simbone. Ayikho ngempela indaba ye-Pirates ne-Chiefs ukuthi bazothola uPitso Mosimane edura kanje. Danko bafowethu.